and today we're going to be talking about how we can leverage planning and forecasting in Plex Demandcaster to help get ahead of demand and allow food and beverage manufacturers to proactively plan their inventory. What we can see here is our Planner Action Report. This is our dashboard for planners and buyers to come into the system and see where we need to produce more WIP and finished goods and purchase raw materials and packaging. The need by date will show us when we're hitting those critical stockout points or breaching our safety stock. And based on the lead time, we can calculate an order by day to enable users to stay proactive and on top of upcoming supply gaps. Diving into a specific example here, we can see how Plex Advanced MRP will bring in factors like lead time, standard pack or batch sizes, system calculated safety stocks, and forecasts to project a time-phased requirement plan. For our food and beverage manufacturers, we can also bring in our lots and expiration to ensure that we are not planning for material that will have expired before its ship by date. Hopefully this is helpful in seeing how Plex's Advanced MRP can help your business prevent future stockouts.